Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you notice the quick access menu in File Explorer is typically slow or very unresponsive, I should say. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, type in Folder Options. Best match should come back with File Explorer options. Go ahead and left click on that. Where it says Open File Explorer 2, you want to click inside this drop down here, and you want to select this PC. And now underneath Privacy, you want to uncheck or unselect both of these options where it says Show Recently Used Files in Quick Access, as well as Show Frequently Used Folders in Quick Access. Once you have that, now you also want to select the Clear button right underneath, so select Clear. And once you're done with that, you can just select Apply and OK. Now that you've done that, now I want you to open up the Start menu, type in File Explorer, open up File Explorer now, click in whatever the top URL address bar is and delete it. I'm going to have a direction that starts with %AppData, and that's going to be the first one. There's going to be two in here. You just want to copy the first one from my description and then paste it into this URL address bar here, or you can do Control V, whichever you prefer. And once you have it in here, and it should end with AutomaticDestinations, you want to go ahead and just select Control A to delete everything or highlight over it. Doesn't really matter, and then right click and delete. You can also click the delete key on your keyboard, whatever you prefer. If a couple of them cannot be removed, do not worry too much about them. It's not a huge deal. So you can also do the same thing for the second address. So click inside this and delete everything, or you can click just on the recent items to backspace one back. And now you want to copy the second address from my description, delete the top URL address here, paste it in, hit enter. And now again, you want to delete everything that's listed in here. So click delete on your keyboard or right click, select delete, whatever you prefer. So close out of here, restart your computer, and hopefully that's been able to resolve the problem. Another thing you can try would be to actually reset File Explorer itself. So we're going to go about doing that by opening up the Start menu again, type in regedit, R-E-G-E-D-I-T. Best match should come back a Registry editor. You want to right click on that and then select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to left click on Yes. Now before you proceed in the registry, I'd highly suggest you create a backup of it. So if anything went wrong, you'd be able to restore it back. So in order to do that, it's very simple. Go ahead and left click on the File tab up at the top left. Select Export. Export range should be selected to all, and then save it at the convenient location on your computer. As for file name, I would usually suggest naming it the date in which you're making the backup, and then select the Save button. So pretty straightforward. And then if you ever need to import it back in, just would left click on the File tab again, and then select Import and navigate to the file location. So pretty straightforward. Now that you've done that, now you want to expand the HKey current user folder. So either double click on it or left click on the little arrow next to it to expand the drop down. Do the same thing now for the software folder. Same thing now for Microsoft. Now scroll down a little bit until you find Windows. Expand that one as well. Should be a current version folder in here. Expand that one. Should be an Explorer folder in here. Expand that. And now there should be a ribbon folder. Just left click on that one time. Please note, if you need to pause the video at this time and take note of the top address of where we currently are in the registry editor, each / represents a folder we went through. So if you need to pause the video and just navigate to where we are, feel free to. Otherwise, we're going to go ahead and move on to the next part of the video. Now you want to locate the QATITEMS, so QAT items basically, and you want to right click on it and select delete. You want to select yes. Now you want to close out of here, reopen up File Explorer. You can also go through the taskbar icon as well, but we don't want to make too many assumptions of what you guys have on your system, and hopefully that should be about it on resolving your File Explorer problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.